I'm here with Mike Patey. He's super awesome and just as cool a person as he is online. I had a question. We talked the other day about how we're building our RV tent.
Yes.
And you mentioned how you've built a couple RVs.
I've built an RV6 and an RV10.
So the question I have for you is, a lot of people get into flying and they want to be a pilot, but
Yes.
what was it that made you want to start building your first one?
I'm just addicted to building, and I love to just do something different all the time. So even on my first RV, I started tweaking it a little and then a little more, and that was kind of the entry step to just pure madness.
What'd you tweak on the RV?
I just started turbocharging it. No one had been turbocharging them at that point.
Oh,
so
cool.
Yeah, just more horsepower.
And then you just got addicted with getting into
Draco. I don't know
Draco?
that I ever do more horsepower. Never.
No, I mean, I don't think I've ever heard of you trying that before.
Yeah.
And then it just kind of built from there with getting into Draco, and now you got Ballistic that's going to be happening.
Ballistic's coming, Scrappy's coming.
Scrappy was cool. We watched your video on it.
Yeah, the engine?
Yeah, it looks
It's going to
really
be mad.
incredible. With the story, too. I like how it came full circle.
Yeah,
so.
it's really fun.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mike Patey, you guys, and Draco.
This girl's awesome.
Thank you.